Fun stuff. We got Pele, Pearl, Big Black Way. Tommy will give us some Pearl.
Documenting the story
from start to finish. These are the sober people. See? She's not fighting with him yet. See? They're still good. It's inedible. And there's Craig. Craig, we want to see you sober.
Now.
See you at midnight.
I dare you. What?
You always play the good songs when I'm doing a piece to do.
Baby's still on his phone. The barrel lasted, yeah. There you go. Blizzard 10! Yeah! Hey, Taylor. Hi, Mark. There's Dewey Oxburger. Hare Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Jake.
Hi, okay.
What's going on?
It's snowing like a motherfucker outside. I've been drinking since 2 o'clock this afternoon. It is currently 6 o'clock.
All right.
6 o'clock.
Birthday boy.
The Libyans are
Hey,
coming.
look, twins. Get together.
No.
Twins separated at afterbirth.
I got holes in my beard.
You're here now. You have to say hi.
Hi, my name is Tony. This is Blizzard 10.
I'm John. Tommy's eating. Hey, Rocky. Where's Bullwinkle?
Hey, Rocky.
His hat's off now. Mike's here now. No, I'm sorry. We'll serve food here.
Done filming?
No, not yet.
Man, tell them to put it back on.
Very angry. Like Tommy is
Mike, what do you want to order, Mike? Alright. Ravioli coming in. Who's here now? Terry, Monica. What's the word, Tom? Mike, you any happier now? Hey, Mike's here. Tony's still good looking.
Where'd the Amish go? Where'd the Amish guy go? I need a bus. I need a bus.
I know, like, ultimate. Come on, go. Fuck you. What's your price for slice? Pepperoni, mushy nice. I like to say this blizzard is sponsored apparently by Gia.
Yes, it is.
Snowpocalypse 010.
Cheers, big cheers.
2010, sponsored by Gia.
What's going on?
Snowplows ruining all the fun.
But social.
What?
Snowplow social.
Snowplow social. Everybody drink.
Snowplow social. You got a drink.
Everybody drink.
Hey, see you Friday, go.
Belly.
Oh, let's see. Here we go. Roof now.
What's going on?
Snowing. Slow. Just gonna get drunk tonight.
Thumbs up. Rock and roll, folks. Yeah, Belly! Wait for it, Bob. 5, 4.
Boy, I wish I had a beer.
There it is. Boy, I wish I had a hooker. What's going on, Tommy? Can we get some real rock and roll? video of your wife kissing Terry. Yeah. Film me real fast. Let me change this out. Film me real fast. Film me real fast.
So vanilla. Coburn, you're so vanilla.
Tell me when you're ready.
Nazareth.
Ready.
I really wish there was a big greasy douchebag in here.
Here he is. Greasy fucking douchebag.
Alright, right now it's getting cold and chilly, it's starting to snow. We got folks walking by, and she don't have any stiletto heels, which means it's starting to fucking snow now, people. But now you're messing with us.
It's coming down pretty good there.
It's bringing it now, and it's just starting.
And it's
Look, people are starting to put floor stools out to save parking spots.
Ralphie did that. I'm sorry, Nealon did that. He's coming back.
Nealon's coming back?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. It's a whiteout in Canton.
White out, baby.
Next thing you know, it'll be a blackout in Canton. Andre Knock will show up or something.
There's 25.
And I entered Disneyland, Flyer Woman.
Bob Schultz was Action Team 1. We have a ton of snow falling in the Canton area. It's kind of quite amazing. It's brought out everywhere from Asians to Mexicans. We really don't know what's going on. But it's like it's a cross-cultural diversity thing with nothing but snow and shots and beer. So I give it 1, 2, 3.
Greg Dolan live at Canton Square. Crowd is deteriorating. There's 75 feet of snow right now. We're trapped in the building. We're getting drunk as shit. Actually, just passed.
There's another black guy. We had two.
We've had one black eye so far. Two black eyes. We've hit our max of the year.
In Coburn, but you look outside, you can't even see outside.
We have hit full blizzard.
Kempa!
Come here. What's going on outside? Talk to me.
It's snow like this.
It's a goddamn blizzard.
Nigga, it is a goddamn blizzard. We got a phone call now from Sky Captain USA here down in Baltimore. It's actually a little bit more crazier than we thought. We now have a full-blown whiteout, and I'm not even talking about whiteout snow. We got a whiteout. Really? We got a lot of crack going on. No, we're gonna signing off.
I'm 26. This is as good as it gets. It's all downhill from here. The balls have dropped tonight. That's it.